Where are you going? This is your responsibility. You can't just walk away. The Lumbaxes need us. Don't walk away from me! I said stop!
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas.
I want to kill everybody in the world.
You know what, Will? Every time we made love, I was thinking about another guy.
Well, so was I.
Oh, come on. Switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Planet Tenemule is no more.
What?
Hello, Dallas Wanamaker here.
Do a barrel roll!
Greetings, Cadet.
Captain Qwark, on behalf of the Galactic Rangers, I'm placing you under arrest.
Oh, you can't do that.
Oh, you don't think I can take it? Oh, I know you can't take it. You better believe I can take it.
Why are you guys talking in scary voices?
But if you have heart, then you have what it takes. You don't have what it takes.
But I'll be in my starship, crying.
The warmonger. I don't know, the spiral of death.
Fuck you, we're 3D! Fuck you, we're 3D! Can you see this in 3D? Can you see this in 3D, you fucking little dick horse?
Do you know what's the opposite of big? Your dick.
Can you tell me your name?
My name's Ratchet.
That is the stupidest dance move I've ever seen.
Who put you on the planet?
Everybody say pussy and keep it going. Hey, I just got home from getting some pussy. Got your main hobo share that pussy.
When your parents call you by your full name.
Commence deplanetization!
Summon, I'm a doom, I'm a you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is big as you and devastating.
Seriously?
What are you doing here? What?
We're here to rescue you.
Let's go, Cadet. Time to make you a ranger.
Gotta keep an eye on that. Oh, and over here,
I'll see you in a bit.
We're gonna have so much fun!
No, so much no!
That makes me angry. And when Dr. Evil gets angry, Mr. Bigglesworth gets upset. And when Mr. Bigglesworth gets upset, people die!
Wilhelm! Oh god, that shit's fucking hilarious, yeah!
Let's get to work. This. Yes? Yes! It's working! I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Come on, I'll show you around. Gotta keep an eye on that. Oh,
I'll see you in a bit.
and we're gonna have so much fun!
So, Ratchet, what is your opinion about Samsung Galaxy Note 7?
It blew up as soon as I turned it on.
Dad, look at you. Mama so old, she was there first day of slavery.
Your mama so old, she older than your grandmama.
Your mama so fat, she on both sides of the family.
That's okay. Your mama's so dumb, she thought a quarterback was a refund.
Oh, ain't that? Look, your mom's so dumb, they told her it was chilly outside, she wouldn't got a bowl.
But
Sir, I do not understand.
Mr. Fizzwidget!
Well done, my brave little lombax.
Aw.
Wanna get really fucked up for your celebration?
Is it dangerous?
Won't you shut up?
Wow, that was one hell of a night.
Yeah.
I can hear that. That was terrific. What the fuck? Remember, kids, don't do drugs or this will happen to ya.
Arrest this man.
Me?
Absolutely.
On behalf of the Galactic Rangers, I'm placing you under arrest.
What the hell are you?
I'm a Lombax.
Do you know what's the opposite of big?
When your parents call you by your full name.
That was one hell of a night. I can hear that. Don't do drugs.
What is your opinion about Samsung Galaxy Note 7?
Well done, my brave little lombax. Yeah.